Open the glove box. There are 4 screws securing the tray. Remove them with a Phillips head screwdriver. Pull outwards to remove the plastic tray. Unclip the 3 tabs that secure the housing door. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Insert your new filter into the housing with its airflow indicating arrow pointing down. Reclip the housing door. Reinstall the plastic tray. Reinstall the screws. Close the glove box.
Order your parts today at filterheads.com. Also, please like our video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new content.